Hey everybody, today we're going to do a quick video on our 150 count Polymer Crystal cigar humidifier. Get lots of emails when people get their humidor and say, hey, there's no beads inside the humidifier. So when you take it out of its packaging, it's going to look empty. But in fact, there are a few polymer crystals in there, probably about 20 or 30. That's totally normal. What you're going to do is you're going to want to set this on its back. With the grate up, you're going to fill that with water and let it sit for about 8 hours. And what happens is that those polymer crystals will completely expand. Recommend you doing this before you go to bed. That way when you wake up, it's going to look similar to this model here where we've done it. And as you can see, the polymer crystals are pretty full there. They will fill the entire container. You're going to give it a quick shake. That gives any excess water out of it. If you're mounting it on underneath your lid, you can use the 3M Velcro, attach it to the back of that, and then attach it to your humidor lid, or you can place it anywhere inside your humidor that you wish. And what these do is once they're filled up, you place it inside your humidor. They're going to slowly emit humidity inside the humidor, which are going to keep your cigars fresh. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks and enjoy.